come here to your house. Dito kayo kakain. So, I want you to eat here inside your 5-star apartment here. Let's eat! Alright! Pasok kayo! Yan na sila! Alright! VIP treatment here! Madali lang ulihin! Yung mga kamad yan! Hindi yung kakain! Dali lang mahulihin! Dito na! VIP, pag-awayin kami dito kayo temporary ha! Oh! Tingnan mo! So pili ka na